What up guys, so today I'm going to show you how to take any image you want and put it onto a shirt to make a custom t-shirt. So I was going to finish these shirts, so we could do the pre-launch, all that stuff. But my friend sent me a TikTok video, and I was like, that seems like it's not gonna work. So I thought that's what we'll do today. We're gonna test it out and see if it works. Let me show you. Here it is.
So there's a really easy way to put any picture you want on a shirt with stuff you have at home, just like I did there. So you want a t-shirt and you want to go and print a picture out on the printer. Shout out to my girl Abby for showing me how to do this.
Shout out to Abby,
so you want to get rid of all the borders on the picture and then place the picture face down on Saran wrap and fold the edges behind the picture like I'm doing here.
Okay.
Once you have that done, you want to take parchment paper and place it over the picture with the picture facing up and iron it on the highest setting for about 5 minutes. Then about 5 minutes later, peel the parchment paper off while it's still hot. And there you go. Now you have a shirt with any picture you want on it. You can wash it and do whatever, and there you go.
Okay, so we're gonna try that out. I don't personally think it's gonna be able to wash. I guess we'll see. Oh, also don't mind my hand. I guess I accidentally punched a hole in a door. I also got reconcussed that night, so sorry mom. My mom didn't know that. This is probably where she'll find out that I got a concussion again, so sorry mom. Okay, anyways, let's go. All right, so what you're gonna need for this is a printer, some saran wrap and parchment paper, and a shirt. Next, you're gonna need an image. I guess I'm narcissistic as hell, so I wanna put my face on a shirt, so we're gonna use that. Cool. So I threw that on the computer and just erase the outside, because I just want my dumb little face. I'm gonna print out some little small ones for the front over the heart, and then do a giant one for the back of the shirt. And when I printed it out, I was like, I don't think that's big enough. Maybe if I did 4 pages. And so then I made a new one, just doubled the width and the height, then stretched out the picture to fit. Then I wanted to make another one and maybe do 2 papers big. And so same thing. Then when I print it, I'm just gonna like adjust it. So I'll print the first half of my chin, the second half of my eyes, and then do the same one with that 4 paper sized one. And just printed them out. Cool. So it's looking good. Now on the shirt, I just want to place it and see which size I want to do. And sweet little toaster boy was just being so cute. Just so cute. But first we're gonna print. No, we're not gonna print. First we're gonna cut out those smaller faces. And I made 3 of them so I could see which size I like best. I ended up liking the bigger size, so we're going with that. Take the saran wrap, the plastic wrap, tear off a size that will fit the image, and then put it face down and start folding it over onto the back. To place an over the heart image, generally it's 4 fingers down from the collar and then it lines up with it. So I did that, and then I got some of the parchment paper, and we're just gonna iron that sucker on there. Cool. Yeah. And I think that's working. So let's go ahead and move on to the back. So here's the one with 2 sheets, and I like it, but I think I'm gonna like the 4 sheet better, and I did, except for ran out of ink. So I had to run to the store, grab some ink, and print out another one. Awesome. And just cut out just what I want to be on the shirt. So just the face, cut out my neck, cut off that neck, dude. Excuse me. Sweet little toast is in the way, per usual. He just likes being under the lights. It's nice and warm. But, gotta move. Anyways, so cut out the rest of the paper. And then after that's all out, we have to, like, line it up. What are you reaching at, dude? And then use some tape. Just normal tape. And yeah, tape it into place. I did it on the front, and I was going to rip it off, so I made sure that it would rip off without taking off the ink. Then flip it on the back, cut off the excess lines, the excess paper, then tape it into place on the back. Then with that, I flipped back over and removed the tape on the front, because I don't want that to be seen on the front, because nah, no thank you. No, okay, cool. Now to add the Saran wrap. So I took one sheet, and I needed another one because this is so big, so I just placed that down, and put this paper face down, and just fold it on the back. That left a big old hole, so I just got some more, and we're just gonna pat that on there, so everything's covered by Saran wrap. And cool, yeah, cool. Next we have parchment paper. Iron that sucker on there, nice and long. Make sure everything's melted down. And it seemed like it was working. The problem was like on the seams where the paper met up, it was kind of like coming apart. I should have glued them down or into place before doing that, but I thought better late than never, so just glue those down. And then to help, like, I don't know, make it more waterproof, I just put another sheet of the Saran wrap on top and ironed that over the top, and I was surprised that, honestly, like how well it blended, I guess you could say. So with it all done, I'm going to throw it in the dryer, washer and dryer. I don't have one, so I went to my friend Brett, and she helped me out. Generally when washing like a graphic tee, if you flip it inside out, the shirt will last longer, so that's what we did, flipped it inside out, threw it in the washer. Good job, Brett. But when it was done, I didn't even dry it. I let it air dry, and it just didn't work. Peeled it right off. It left like a weird flaky thing of like the Saran wrap on the back, but I thought I'd try it again. And this time I was gonna glue it down first, and then also I got some different plastic wrap that was thicker, hoping that would like help make it more waterproof. And then I also doubled it up, so 2 layers on front, 2 layers on back, and then did the same for the back one. I just wrapped that sucker up so that I have 2 layers, at least 2 layers on the back, 2 on the front. And time to try that out again. So just throw it down there, iron on like normal, and looking good. Do that to the back. And this time I also was wondering, maybe like I didn't get it hot enough, so I got this industrial heat press thing. We're gonna try that out. That way I know that it's like having maximum pressure and maximum hotness. That max hotness, dude. And yeah, like it's steaming there. It got pretty hot. So I don't think, like, I don't know. I figure I was getting it hot enough. I don't know if I can get any more hotter without burning the shirt, so. Cool. And I thought before throwing in the washer, there were like spots where I could see where the Saran wrap wasn't. So I thought I'd take a little water bottle and spritz it down to see if it's waterproof, and it wasn't. So I'm like, that's gonna be an issue. Let's see how bad the back is. The back wasn't quite as bad, just little spots. To fix that, I thought I'd just take some more of that plastic wrap, throw it over the top, and just do like an extra cover to help make it more waterproof, hoping that now when I throw it into the washer, it will stay. So I did that to the back as well. And it took forever because it was pretty thick. You can definitely see the layer over the top. But now when I spritz it down, it was waterproof. But still, when I threw it through the washer and dryer, it just did not work. It worked better. So I feel like this is like a good way to do a shirt if you want to just do like a one-time funny shirt. I just don't think there's a way to make it waterproof. I don't know if you guys have had success with this and I'm just like being dumb and not doing it right. You should let me know. But I don't think I am. I think I did everything right, or like the best that I could. Also, like another downside of this shirt is it's like super thick. It feels like you have paper glued to your shirt, because you kind of do. But so like this shirt that I did the last video, I haven't tested to see how well that washes. So I thought we could do that right now. So for this, you're just gonna need the printer and then those iron-on sheets, which are pretty cheap. I think I got that for 10 bucks. And you want to print it on the side that doesn't have the red lines. And also you want to make sure that your image is flipped. It doesn't really matter with the face, but like if you're doing words, your words would be backwards. and also I'm a dumbest and I printed on the side with the red lines. So I had to redo that. And then I just printed them all out like I did the last one. Started running out of ink because I was using so much ink. But, I mean, I think it's gonna look good. We'll see. So I have the shirt again. And yeah, I was running out of ink, so you can see like the different tones, different colors of each paper. All you do is you flip it around, and that's why you need to mirror the image. And then iron it down and peel it off. And it kind of sucks to peel off, but we eventually got it all off. Those little pieces there suck too, but we're good. So with that, I thought I'd just throw a parchment paper over the top and iron it down one more time just to make sure it's all stuck to the shirt. They don't say to do that, but I think that's gonna help. So then do the front one, line it up with the collar, 4 fingers down, just iron it on down, and peel that guy up, off, cool. I should have put parchment paper on the back, because right where I ironed it down on the face, the back image kind of got stuck to the table, but cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go test out this shirt and see if it will hold up in the washer and dryer. Cool. So I washed it and air dried it and worked pretty good. There's like some cracks in the back of it, but what you could do is you could take that parchment paper and just iron over it again, and then it should be good. I just don't think I did that long enough, but yeah, pretty stoked with how it turned out. I'm gonna do this shirt, finish the rest of these shirts next video, and then possibly also embroider over the top of these, because I think that'd be cool, and give away the shirts and also do the pre-launch for this merch. So cool. Stay tuned, I guess.